So I prepared my husband because he has pain in his back. And she don't like too much rice. The Philippines really like rice, right? But sorry, she don't like rice. She don't like rice too much. So I prepare pasta for her. This is the pasta. And then I try to my best to cook for him. Meat. This is sa Bisaya pa. Ito ang ginataang baboy. Ginataang baboy. So, very tasty. I want him to taste. So, my husband is here. I want you to try to taste the food of Philippine ginataang baboy. This is the one.
What is it? I don't like.
Why you don't like? It's yummy. She don't like. First time it tastes the ginataang baboy. Di ba?